Alright guys, so today is leg day and I will be going with high number of reps and medium to high weight. Alright, so I'll be making three I am using Muscle Players Extreme 200. I kind of like this, and let's get this started. Alright guys, so pre-workout I have already had. Just now I have had, and now I'll start with warm up. And as soon as I will start feeling some itching because of pre-workout, I will get under the bar. Okay, so we won't be going heavy. My target for today is 140 kg for 15 reps and 4 to 5 sets. So let's see how well we can push today. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I've done partial warm up, some of which I did not show you, and I will continue my rest of the warm up. I'm thinking about doing it with 70 kg rather than empty bar now. I have done 2 sets of empty bar, and now I'm thinking about going for 70, and then I will start with working set with 140 kg as we discussed earlier. Yesterday's workout was not very good, but today I'm gonna make it count. Today will not be about consistency. Today will be about progress. We will progress today. I will not leave any scope of improvement. Third warm up set. I feel a bit sleepy. I've had my pre-workout, but still it is not hitting yet because I feel like I was not empty stomach today, and pre-workout hits best with empty stomach. So I don't know. I just want to take another scoop, to be honest, but that's not good. That's not good. Let me wait and let me see if the pre-workout start hitting. Otherwise, I'll take a little bit more. But I hope it starts to hit because I don't want to get used to taking a lot of pre-workout. And yes, one thing, I will stop taking pre-workout as I will go on maintenance. Like I am on the calorie deficit right now, so that's why I am depending upon pre-workout. But as I will start on maintenance calories, I will make sure not to hit any pre-workout. I'll be right back. Okay, so the bar is now holding 140 kgs. The target is 3 to 4 sets of reps till failure, but somewhere the target in my mind is 15 reps per set. So let's see how our body responds to this volume. If this volume is too much for us, I'm gonna go for just 3 sets, otherwise I will go for 4 sets. Always listen to your body, don't listen to anyone, okay? If you feel comfortable, keep pushing yourself. But if you are comfortable but not confident, and in that case you are not pushing yourself, that is wrong. So if you are comfortable and not so lazy, keep pushing yourself, that's very good. I'll start my set in 1 minute. I will be back soon. YouTube किया है, Insta पे नहीं डालूंगा ये. Alright, so guys, we'll be going for 15 reps. Let's do our best. देखना नीट पड़े तो. क्रैम्प आ रहा है. मैं इसलिए रुका था, मेरे को लगा ठीक हो जाएगा. नीचे नहीं प्रॉपर पानी पिया. एक मिनट वेट करके मारूंगा. खिंच रहा है यहाँ से, नीचे बैठा हूँ ना, खिंच रहा है. स्ट्रेंथ तो आ रही है लेकिन ये खिंच रहा है. हाँ, और मैं हर रेप के साथ दर्द बढ़ रहा है, सो पॉइंट नहीं है. Guys, I'll be taking 2 minutes break and I'll be right back. Guys, I'll once do my warm up a bit better and again. So maybe the issue is with my warm up. I will do a bit more warm up so that I make sure my sets are not compromised, because whenever I'm leaving my set in middle, I am making my hard work go waste again and again. So I don't want to do that. I want my hard work to be used properly. So this time I'll make sure to get warmed up well before starting the set again. And this time I'll go alone, no help. If I can't do it, I'll just drop the weight. One last checking. Yeah, quads feel good now. And now we are good to go. Let's do this. Sir, failure, failure. खत्म हो रही है बॉडी। आ जाओ सर, आप आ जाओ। लॉक लगा लो, लॉक इंटरलॉक कर लो। हाँ
सर, up. Sir, very good. Good. Yeah, very good.
I'm fucked. I am literally fucked. Honestly speaking, that set was crazy, but my body is giving up with this kind of output. So what I have decided, I will be pushing myself with 120 kg for today, and once I'm done with this volume, I will be reducing the weight even further and going with 70 kgs only. The thing is not about lifting more weights today. The thing today is more volume. So I will go for as much volume as possible today in squats, and that will conclude our workout for today. Alright, so now this is 120 kg, comparatively very light. So let's go for 10 reps on your own with this weight. Alright, and yes, today also sleep was not good because last night I had some heavy food before sleep, and that was planned, so diet is not an issue, but yeah, sleep is. So today I have to sleep very early to compensate for the things which I'm lacking. Not my 100% mentally. I'm fucked, man. I need to improve my sleep. This cannot work. This cannot work like this. I need to improve my sleep, definitely. And it's not like my sleep is bad, but my sleep was average. And at the stage where I am, even a little bit disturbance in the sleep, it ruin all your routine, because I am running on very high performance, and if my rest is not optimum, nothing can help me, really. So sleep is really needed, really needed. Alright, so that set was done, and now last set. After that, I will go for leg extension. कितने आएंगे? नहीं ज़्यादा। 100 पे तो 60 रेप्स करे थे हमने। ये है 150, सो 50% वेट बढ़ा ना, 50% रेप्स कम कर दो। 30 से ज़्यादा आ जाएंगे तो देखते हैं, आपकी बदौलत है।
चलो
9 5 ही निकालता हूँ पर्स में। पाँच के 2 पर्स निकालूंगा। सोल में दर्द हो रहा है। 5
चलो One, 2, 4, एक और।
Fuck. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, so guys, I will be now doing leg extension, single leg. One set is done. I will do 2 more. After that, I will take 1 set of single leg RDL, and then I will be doing hip abduction and then calves. After that, abs, and then today's workout will be finished. Alright, so this is the second set of our leg extension. The weight, to be honest, is light. I've had it 5 kgs. No, 2.5 kgs. So, let's go. Second set also done. Now only one set is left after this. So as I told you earlier, I will go with the plan. Alright, so this is the last set. Okay. I will be increasing the weight a little bit. Let's go. Now I will go for single leg RDL and then hip abduction. Okay, so now let's do single leg RDL. I'm doing it for the first time, so definitely I'll use lightweight.
No matter what we read, we still have made a breed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. They say it's what you make. I say it's what you do. So I need to let you go. You're nothing short so bright. I wanna say that I can't just make it now unless you show me
It's a bit tricky, to be honest. I have never done practice for this, so I think I'll be sticking to the basic RDL, which is done with the both legs. So I'll do now with both legs. This was a good set. Alright, so time for second set, but my hamstring is getting a little bit of crampish, but let's do this. I don't know about you, but I like my bicep. Okay, so now it's time for hip abduction because that RDL is giving me some cramps because I'm not used to doing it. Slowly I'll get habitual to it within first 1 to 2 weeks. So now it's time for hip abduction, and after that hanging leg raises, then we are done. Reps, nice. Because this is 70 kg, I have increased my weight today, and this is 70 kg. I usually get with 63 kg. Today I've got 70, so that's good. But another issue that I have recently changed my gym timing because I used to go in the morning. Now I'm going in afternoon to the gym, like coming in the afternoon. So I feel a bit hungry at the gym. So I will have to change my diet chart a little bit, but we'll definitely do something. So yeah, things are good. Let's do 20 more. It's good. And now this is also done. Now I will be doing hanging leg raises and then some stretches because my legs are very tight, and I usually skip the stretching because of lack of timing, but now we have got enough time, so I'll make sure to do the stretching today. Some days, sometimes, few weeks are not your best ones, but these are the weeks which test you. These are the weeks which test your consistency. So don't give up on these weeks. Push hard, fight like a man, and definitely it's my guarantee that you will get results. All right. All right. So now I will do.
I need you. I need you. I have to feel I'm on.
I'll do it here.
I need you now. I have to feel I'm on.
Hanging leg raises.
I feel like I'm falling. I see that you want me. You want me, no, I can't deny. I love when you're I told you sit down to see what it's like. Did you feel after the fall? I feel
All right. So now, last set for the day. Today was a long day. Life is good. Okay, so now I will do stretching for hamstring. To be honest, my hamstring is really tight. Oh, and one more thing. I did not do calves today. I don't know how am I going to build some muscles like this. कैसा? हाँ 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 This is really hurting me, but it means that my body and especially my quads are stiff and I need to work on this stiffness. Otherwise, it will keep on increasing. And this stiffness will not let me push myself even in normal exercise. Like on last leg day, I was again getting some issues regarding the quads. I was not able to see, my brain is not even working right now. I'm not even able to get out the words out of my mouth. And this is the sign that I'm done for today. If you watched this far, thank you for watching, and make sure to push yourself every day because I know you got potential.